Teeth whitening. Benefits, risks, and tips. Looking for a brighter smile without breaking the bank? DIY teeth whitening might be the solution. But before you dive in, let's weigh the pros and cons. Benefits. 1. Cost-effective. Save money compared to professional treatments. 2. Convenience. Whiten your teeth at home on your own schedule. 3. Quick results. Noticeable difference with regular use. Risks. 1. Tooth sensitivity. Abrasive ingredients can increase sensitivity. 2. Gum irritation. Strong whitening agents may irritate gums. 3. Enamel damage. Overuse can lead to permanent enamel damage. Safe methods. 1. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Mix sparingly and brush gently. 2. Coconut oil pulling. Swish oil in mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Activated charcoal. Use gently to lift stains. Tips. 1. Maintain good oral hygiene. 2. Limit staining foods and drinks. 3. Attend regular dental checkups. Remember, moderation is key, and safety comes first. Share your favorite whitening tips in the comments and keep smiling bright.